Oh, you can't hear me, maybe. We are all here to witness history that repeats itself every year. And as I have said, we have a very diversified tourism product in Kenya. From the wildebeest migration here to the wildlife tourism product that we have across Kenya, the Big Five, and many bird watchers and many other animals and wildlife that you have the opportunity to sample while you are in Kenya, to the culture of the Kenyan people, the warmth, the hospitality, as I have said, of the Maasai people, and the Kenyan people in general, the culture, the customs, the tradition that blends with the spirit of Kenya. The most important aspect of this land is that people don't visit Kenya. They come back to Kenya because this is the home of humankind. This is the place that all started. This is the home of human origins, right here in Kenya. And I'm going to showcase to you next time where the earliest remains of the first man on earth are, in the Republic of Kenya. So when you come back to Kenya, you're coming home to reunite with your spirit, with your soul, with the soil where humanity began. We are showcasing our beaches, as I have said, beautiful sandy beaches, our savannas. The two tallest mountains in Africa are right here. Kilimanjaro is at our border. Mount Kenya is right in the heart of Kenya. And everything in between. We are an interesting destination that you can combine leisure with business. This is also the hub of innovation, where you can travel as you sample products of innovation. This is the home of ICT. This is the home of the M-Pesa revolution. This is the home of our athletics prowess. If you want to run with Olympic champions or world-class champions, you come to Kenya. You will meet them in the streets, you will meet them in the walkways, and this is the place to come. And that is why we are expanding our tourism product to go beyond wildlife, to go beyond our national parks, to go beyond our beaches, to the wide array of what Kenya is good at, wide array of what Kenya has to offer, from our deep culture to our great innovations, and to welcome everybody from wherever they come, from America, from Europe, from Australia, from Asia, from China. We will welcome them with open arms and tell them, welcome home, because this is where we all began. Our tourism numbers are going up. As I said, by 15% last year. We moved our numbers from 2 million visitors to 2.4 million visitors. Our targets are 5 million in the medium term, and we believe that is achievable because we are also expanding our other facilities that we are going to use for conference tourism, for sports tourism. As you have seen, we have huge investments in stadia and in sports infrastructure around Kenya, so that the people who want to come for sports tourism, to engage with our world-class sportsmen and women, can find their way to Kenya. We are also expanding our conference facilities. As you are aware, the Bomas of Kenya is now being expanded to a 6,000 capacity seater for conference tourism and for conferences. Again, we are expanding facilities, we are expanding infrastructure, we are expanding our tourism product, and that is why our tourism numbers are increasing, and that is why our projections are good for the future. And we want, when our friends, our visitors come, they have great hospitality from the people of Kenya. They have wonderful facilities like the facility we are in the Maasai Mara, and many other facilities across Kenya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Let's give a round of applause for His Excellency. We'll now progress to the